destiny calling out my name. Failure and dreams both offering, but both offering change. Surrender offers rest, but I die for peace. Don't need your protection, don't need no shield. Now watch me bleed, now watch me bleed, now watch me bleed, now watch me bleed. The winds of life are blowing, it brings doubt like rain.
So hello guys, welcome to my new vlog, and today I'm making a video regarding my trip to my hometown, which is in Alipurduar, but I'll be going through Siliguri as we have one and only airport in Siliguri nearby my hometown. So I'll be showing you the clips from Bangalore to Bagdogra, what are the areas we'll be traveling, so we'll be covering that areas and everything. So hope you enjoy the video guys, stay tuned with the video, and yeah, let's go for it. Currently we have done our boarding and we are way to our aircraft, which is A320 Airbus aircraft, and this is the Kuwait aircraft. As you can see guys, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, so I have reached my aircraft right now, and so the aircraft has started moving guys, and ahead of me you can see the Kuwait aircraft, and the airport in Bangalore Pagoda looks stunning at the night time guys. I also wanted to inform you that I am flying AirAsia, which is a direct flight actually to my hometown. So it's time to fly.
I am different, I am not the same. 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 I'm different, I am not the same. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't take the takeoff video because it was very dark in the night, so I was thinking it's better to show you the speed of the aircraft when it's flying, like when it's taking off. City looks so amazing guys, so beautiful from the top. If you see the Bangalore city,
Don't need no shield. Now watch me bleed. Now watch me bleed. Now watch me.
so I got an HS call, so I came to the washroom, and this is the washroom how it looks like in the aircraft. And the amazing thing is that I didn't get water. There is no water in the sink. And yeah, it's quite better than like the railway ones, obviously. Currently it's around 7 a.m. and we are still flying. It's morning, and they gave me meal like some breakfast with sandwiches or something, which was good, but it was cold. And you can see the scene guys, it's very beautiful when you are going above the clouds. Looks amazing guys. And also I'll be showing you the mountains of Himalayas. And also now we are going to reach Bagdogra, and from there the views of Kanchenjunga is very clear. I'll be just showing you that view. I hope you will like it. It's covered with snow, as you can see in the video over there. So let me zoom it in. Yeah, so I think you can see it clearly. The mountains covered with snow. It's looking so damn beautiful. The camera can't justify it guys. It was so beautiful. To land right now guys in the Bagdogra airport, which is an Air Force airport I guess, and the scene is so awesome, damn beautiful. So I'll be showing you the landing footage also. Yeah, so we just entered into the airport place. So see you soon in my hometown, and I'll be sharing you my remaining clips. Thank you for watching the video, guys. This was part 1, and the part 2 will be coming soon in the next video. So subscribe and like the channel, guys. Subscribe for watching the second part. Don't miss it out, guys. And see you soon in the next part of Supermoto 200. As always, guys, as always. Bye bye.